Yes, that nigga again, Ella nigga again, back on business again. Ay, handle your business, young man. How you do all that shit independent and win? Ay, count up them digits again. Every month I get residuals in. And for the hustlers, stack all that shit that come in and take care of your mama, take care of your children, take care of your niggas. Stay out that drama.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back again with another banger. So today I'm bringing you guys on how I customize my wig. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first I start off by putting the pins in on my canvas head, and you want to make sure that it's on there tight, because if you put your wig on there loose, then it's not gonna look right when you put it down tight on your head. So yes. So here, I don't know why I was starting off by cutting the baby hairs, but you normally want to do the baby hairs last, but I don't know why I was doing that first. So when you're cutting your baby hairs, you want to take out a little hair as possible. You don't want your baby hairs thick, but if you like your baby hairs thick, then go ahead and do you. But yes, so take the razor and you just raise it like away from you slowly, and you do that until you got reasonable baby hairs. So then I got into plucking. So you want to part off a little bit of plucking. I normally water mine, and then I start plucking like the part that you see the most, and then I started plucking the part behind that. So you make sure you want to pluck it, because you don't want your hairline to be too thick, but you don't want it to be too thin. You want it to look natural. So you know what I'm saying? I parted a couple times. I part inside that back part, and then I pluck the front hairline part. You want to make sure you get all up into it. You don't want no part too thick. Comb it back, get all the hairs that you plucked out, because if you don't do that, you're just gonna keep plucking because you think, oh, it's still thick. No, baby, comb it back out, get the hairs out, look at what you're doing. You see it's like still a dark line, so I'm going in and I'm plucking it, and then I'm gonna comb it back, and then I'm gonna see, okay, that looks better. Do it. Make sure you're always checking to see if it's okay. Don't just be like, oh, it looks too thick. No, actually look, take your time and do it. Don't be in a rush. This is your hair. So I just want y'all to look at the difference. I did that side where I just touched it, and the other side is where I haven't plucked it yet. And make sure you look at the before and after. I personally do one side at a time so I can see what my progress is. But some people, they like to go all over and go crazy. But take your time, honey. So after you feel good with your plucking and your hairline is to your liking, this is where you're supposed to go in and cut your baby hairs and style it how you want to and all this and that. So yeah, and then if it don't lay right where you want your baby hairs, go back in, pluck it, touch it up, all this and that. But yeah, that's it for the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification, and I'll see you when I see you, baby. Period.